Hello, I'm AI and I'll be leading you through this video about Tumour Hypoxia as well as how research into it can prevent cancer metastasis. First, what is a tumour? A tumour is an abnormal mass of tissue and can be benign or malignant, which if left untreated, can spread to other parts of the body, leading to the invasion and failure of key organs, ultimately resulting in death. Let's say that each tumour cell is delivered 3 molecules of oxygen per second by the blood vessels close to them, and with the oxygen they can metastasize quickly. But afterwards, only 2 molecules of oxygen per second can reach the tumour cells further from the blood vessels. This metastasizing repeats until only 1 molecule of oxygen can be delivered to the tumour cells, which means that the tumour cells metastasize slower. This situation in which the tumour cells are deprived of oxygen is called Tumour Hypoxia. In short, when the tumour grows, more tumour cells use more oxygen, thus the available oxygen supply is outgrown. The body detects the low oxygen levels and responds by forming more blood vessels towards the deprived tumour cells. Because more molecules of oxygen are being delivered to the tumour cells with the newly formed blood vessels, it's a repeat of what happened before. As a result, continuous metastasis happens. If you're hungry, you eat so that you become full. If there are hypoxic conditions, signals are sent so that there's an increase of epithelial to mesenchymal transition in tumours. This basically means that the tumour cells change from one type of tumour cell to another type of tumour cell, where the changed tumour cell can survive and metastasize even better than before. These survival properties mean that the tumour cells can become therapy resistant, so no matter what treatment is given, the treatment would be ineffective if the hypoxic cells are not dealt with. Hypoxia-activated cytotoxins are substances which are toxic to the hypoxic tumour cells. On the one hand, conventional treatments like some anti-cancer drugs travel through the bloodstream, and hence are only maximally effective on tumour cells closest to blood vessels. On the other hand, hypoxia-activated cytotoxins directly target the tumour cells deprived of oxygen by only activating under hypoxic conditions. For this reason, they have maximum effect on the hypoxic tumour cells furthest from the blood vessels. So if you combine the treatments together, you can prevent the tumour's growth even better than before. However, just like how different people react differently to different situations, tumour cells react differently to different treatments. Because of that, the situation is still more complicated than just using hypoxia-activated cytotoxins, where the effectiveness of the combination of therapies have to be understood as well. For example, the effectiveness of TPZ is being considered in ongoing trials between 2 different combinations of treatments on head and neck cancer. In conclusion, there are many beneficial areas in relation to tumour hypoxia which can be researched. With the researched information, we can end up stopping the spread of tumour cells in a person and consequentially limit the fatality of cancer.